Hello my beauties and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? If you're new to the channel, welcome. And my name is Claire. So today's video is totally different than I'm used to filming. I'm going to show you what I'm cooking for dinner, which is pretty simple tonight. So I'm just going to boil some rice. I have some chicken right there. And then I have a cream of mushroom soup pan and some peas. So I will show you the steps I do. So first things first, it is cutting the chicken. So I have my jiggers here, my fireball. Pepper and garlic powder. So, don't mind my mustache. So I'm gonna let that cook for, that's what it looks like, for a good 30-ish minutes on medium heat. And I will get back to you guys when it's time to make the rice and the cream sauce. Alright guys, so the chicken is slowly cooking up. And I will be starting my water for my rice shortly. But let me show you what I mean by cream of mushroom soup. So I use the Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. You don't have to use Campbell's, you can use whatever you feel like using. I am using also 3 bags of great value white rice in a bag. But the chicken finally is defrosting, so that's why there's all that liquid. And it will cook off and give us a really good food. So I will see you guys when I'm about to add water to a pan. Hot. Now I have to put it on and with medium-high heat. Chicken finally has all that water evaporate. And hopefully I'm trying to keep So that's the chicken. That's right. Now let's put the cream on the mushroom soup in the pan in here and this is the finished look. This is the finished meal. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of me showing you what I cooked. And if you guys like cooking videos, let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in another video this coming up week. I love you all.